Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Christian. I'm a dividend investor. This is my stock portfolio on Robinhood. Recently, I just got into Robinhood. As you can see, I only have $1,000 invested in it. This is the live look. I think the stock market recently just closed. This is as you can see, this is today's trend. This is the one-day trend. I'm down 1.22%. And in the past week, I am up 2.93%. In the past month, I am up 5%. I'm a dividend investor, and I just like to record basically my journey. I recently just got into the stock market. I know a lot of people call me crazy because the stock market has crashed a couple of times, oil has crashed a couple of times, and the coronavirus is happening. So a lot of people are really scared to invest in the stock market. But I've been doing a lot of research into the stock market, and I believe I've found one secret stock that nobody's really talking about, and that stock is Otis. Otis Worldwide. Otis Worldwide is basically an elevator company that services and maintains elevators. This company is one of the top 5 companies in the world. Otis owns 72% of all elevators. Not owns, but services 72% of all elevators. This company generates 79% of their wealth through service contracts. Service contract is when a mechanic goes to the building monthly just to make sure the elevator is running up and down. Contracts could vary from client to client. I really like Otis Worldwide because I know the growth potential of it, and it recently just started giving out dividends. I believe their dividends is 1.64%. I believe the CEO recently just said that it's aiming for a 40% dividend payout ratio. So I mean, in the future, it's going to be giving out really good dividends. It's going to be a good return. This is a really good value investment because Otis was in United Technologies before. Then United Technologies spread out into 3 different companies, which is Raytheon Technologies, Carrier Global, and Otis Worldwide. Now that Otis is by itself, when it came into the stock market in April, it started off at $43. And now, as you can see, is at $52.31. So it's a pretty good return. See, yeah, $47, $48. So as you can see, in the month that it's been here, it has been growing and it's been giving pretty good returns. As of now, I only have 2 shares, and my average cost is $47.31. I am currently up 10.57% on this stock. Now, Otis, as you can see, this is the trend. This is today's opening. This is today's opening. Wow. This is today's opening. This is the range. I believe the $38 is when Otis was with United Technologies. So I don't think this 52-week low really counts because the 52-week low technically will be like $47, $48. This will be today's volume. I really do believe Otis has a lot of potential to create. I have a lot of experience with Otis. I see a lot of Otis companies, Otis mechanics. Otis has their own parts. Otis has their own systems. Otis has their own control panels. Control panels are basically the buttons that the client uses to go up and down the elevators, to operate the elevator. They sell their own parts. They have a different system than any other companies like Kone or Schindler. For example, if an elevator breaks down and the elevator is an Otis elevator, the people in the office from Otis, they could go on the computer and they could troubleshoot that specific elevator and tell the mechanic where exactly he needs to check and what the problem is just by being in the office, right, even before the mechanic gets there. So I really do believe Otis has a lot of potential. Otis has been around for, I believe, 167 years, and it's an old timer. It finally got its own stock. It's really eye-opening, especially at this price. I believe this price will go up in value in the coming years, and the dividend will grow. This is 1.64%, which is 80 cents annually. I believe this will grow. I really do believe this is a good stock. In the past quarter, they did really good. I looked at the spreadsheets; they had a lot of cash flow coming in. They have a lot of cash in hand, and the CEO still believes Otis could move up in value if they push stronger sales. Again, sales is less than 25% of the profit of Otis. All right. So if they push a little bit more sales, Otis has a lot of growth potential. It's have competition with Kone and Schindler and the smaller elevator companies, but Otis has a brand, Otis has a name, Otis offers more services than the smaller companies and Schindler and Kone. Obviously, Schindler has their own pieces and parts too, but Otis has been here for a while. I don't think Otis is ever going to go anywhere. This is the Weibo look. This is how, if you have a Weibo account, this is how Weibo will look. In Weibo, the charts are more in depth. You can really see the EPS. You can see how Otis in the first quarter of 2020, it averaged out more than what people actually estimated the returns would be for Otis. Or I really do believe Otis has a lot of potential for it. So this is my portfolio. This is what's going on in my portfolio so far. This is the total value. I also invest in cryptocurrencies. Currently, I only have $62.41 in cryptocurrencies, and the rest of it is in stocks. These are the different stocks. I have. I have Phillips 66, Otis Worldwide. And Otis Worldwide, I'm gonna be purchasing way more stocks in the upcoming time. ExxonMobil, LiveX, Realty Income, Santander Consumer, Power Shares S&P 500 High Dividend, Coca-Cola, and AT&T. Again, this is my cryptocurrencies. So yeah, guys. So this is my portfolio. If you guys really do enjoy looking at these videos, I hope you do. I hope you guys do follow me in my journey. I recently just started investing in the stock market, and I'm a dividend investor. I'm only getting, I'm not really getting paid that much in dividends, but I really do hope to grow it one day. And maybe one day live off of it. As you can see, I recently just got paid 22 cents from Santander, and it's spent my first whole value that I'm getting back in the month will be $1.80 from Phillips 66. Excuse me, from Phillips 66. So yeah, this is really exciting. I know a lot of people were making fun of me because it's only 22 cents, but I made 22 cents and I wasn't really doing nothing. I was basically chilling at home, and I got paid 22 cents. And the same is going to happen on June 1st. I'm going to get paid $1.80. And so, yeah, it's a really exciting feeling. So hopefully later on in the future, you guys follow my journey. You guys can see how my dividend investment starts growing, and how you guys can see my account on Robinhood grow. I really do like Robinhood. Robinhood is really easy to use. As you can see here, you can look up your stocks. It tells you your trend for today. It gives you articles about some of the biggest headlines. It gives you top movers and stuff that's going on with your stocks. So yeah, guys, this is my stock portfolio. And if anybody's interested in investing in the stock market, this is my link. And you can click this link and you can join Robinhood. If you click this link, you get a free stock, and I get a free stock just by you clicking my link. The free stock will vary from $5 to $1,000 in price range. I believe Robinhood just lowered it from $1,400 to $1,000. But hey, if I don't get the $1,000 stock, I hope you guys get the $1,000 stock. So I really do believe everybody should invest in the stock market. I know a lot of people are second guessing themselves because of the coronavirus and stuff, but I'm recording this for you guys to follow my journey. You guys can see that you don't need to be a millionaire to invest in the stock market. You don't need $1 million or $5,000 to $200,000 to invest in the stock market. I started off with $400, and every week or two, I've been trying to get one or two stocks. As you can see, my portfolio right now, it's valued at $1,000 and $1,102.70. Give me, and it's only going to go up from there. So if I could reach $1,000, I believe you guys could reach 1,000. And when I reach $5,000, I believe you guys could reach $5,000, and we could grow together. So thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is Christian, and that's it. Have a good day.